is for the maintenance of the stone. It's added after the treatment of number 1, and we're going to show you the treatment of Uniblack1 on this black absolute. Okay, what we're going to do is take some Uniblack1 and treat this one side of the black absolute. So we're going to pour some out in the middle of the slab. TENAX recommends Uniblack2 for a maintenance of the black stone after the application of Uniblack1. But it is similar to a black wax, which will help maintain the look that you've achieved by using Uniblack1. Keeps the black granite looking beautiful for years to come. Wow, look at that. Talking untreated versus treated. Pretty stone to begin with. Now you're talking a immaculate stone in the end.